Hello everyone. We decided to do a series where we make logos and symbols from famous works of fiction into 3D. To start off the series, I picked something that is close to my heart, that is Attack on Titan. So we'll be making the Wings of Freedom from Attack on Titan in 3D today. Started off by deleting everything in the default scene and adding my reference image. Now the problem I noticed with my reference image is that it's not exactly centered. So I moved the image a slight to the left and now it seems perfect. To make this, I divided the model into three main parts, which are the blue wing, the white wing and the shield. Starting with the shield, I added a plane, deleted the left half, moved the vertices to match the outline of the shield and extruded the plane, and then just added a mirror modifier. Now I added a loop cut to the shield and then scaled it to 0 about the z-axis. Then I matched it to the reference. Now I went into face select mode and selected both the faces and inset them and extruded them inwards to look like the shield. Now just match the vertices to the reference. Let's move on to the white wing. And a general observation being that the wing consists of a lot of simple shapes, I could just create each feather using a plane and adding one horizontal loop cut and one vertical loop cut and just adjusting the vertices accordingly. I did this to maintain the quads in my scene. Now what comes next is just duplicating and setting the vertices so as to match and create the complete wing in 2D, also known as sheer will and determination. Now repeat this for the blue wing and just extrude. The wings of freedom are ready. Time to put color in them. Nothing much, just simple materials with not much other than changing the color and just applying it to the right vertex groups. After a little more tweaking here and there and adding a plane and animating it, this is what the final product looks like. I like how it turned out. Wait, what do you mean it's not good because it's CGI? So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please leave suggestions of what logos would you like to see further down the series. And like, share, subscribe. Viking Devlogs signing out.